Sony has just unveiled the latest iteration of its flagship wireless noise-canceling headphones, the WH-1000XM6, marking an important update 3 years after the release of the WH-1000XM5. This new model continues to set the standard in the premium headphone segment by introducing several practical improvements in design, noise-canceling technology, audio performance, and smart features, all while maintaining a consistent battery life that users have come to expect. One of the most anticipated changes is the return of the foldable design. After the WH-1000XM5 ditched the folding hinges, the WH-1000XM6 brings them back with a sturdy metal hinge mechanism that enhances durability and convenience. While not identical to the clamshell style fold found in the WH-1000XM4, this updated hinge design offers a familiar and highly practical way to store or transport the headphones, fitting easily into bags or compact cases. The headband has also been re-engineered with a wider profile and smoother adjustment mechanism, replacing the stepped adjustment of the previous model with a more fluid feel, improving comfort and ease of use. The carrying case has received an update as well. Sony replaced the zipper closure with a magnetic lid that snaps open and closed smoothly, speeding up access and making the overall experience more refined and premium. On the technical front, the WH-1000XM6 features Sony's new QN3 processor, which is reported to be 7 times faster than the QN1 chip used in the WH-1000XM5. This processing boost enables advanced real-time, adaptive noise cancellation that dynamically adjusts to the user's environment, including challenging and fluctuating noise patterns like traffic or crowds. This feature, branded as Adaptive NC Optimizer, ensures optimal noise suppression, regardless of whether the user is on a busy street or a quiet office. The microphone system has also been enhanced, growing from 8 to 12 microphones. 6 of these use eye-powered beamforming to improve voice clarity during calls, even in windy outdoor conditions. Additionally, new wind noise reduction structures help minimize interference, ensuring conversations remain crisp and clear. Audio quality benefits significantly from a newly designed 30mm driver, made with carbon composite materials, a technology borrowed from Sony's premium Walkman audio players. This driver is meticulously tuned by Grammy-winning engineers to provide a wider soundstage, deeper bass, and overall clearer audio reproduction. Coupled with the new processing chip, the headphones also feature improved distortion reduction and dynamic volume leveling during streaming to ensure a smooth and balanced listening experience, supporting advanced audio codecs like LDAC. The WH-1000XM6 delivers high-resolution wireless audio, bringing music to life with enhanced detail. The headphones also support DSEE Extreme technology, which upscales compressed audio files to near high-resolution quality, and 360 reality audio upmix, which enriches movies and music with immersive spatial sound. Connectivity is robust, with Bluetooth Low Energy support for longer battery life and multiple device pairing. The headphones allow seamless switching between devices, enabling users to connect simultaneously to a smartphone and a laptop, for example. New smart features include Speak to Chat, which automatically pauses playback when the user begins speaking, and a customizable 10-band equalizer accessible through the Sony Headphones Connect app. Gamers will appreciate a dedicated EQ mode derived from Sony's InZone gaming headset line, optimizing sound for gameplay scenarios. Despite these enhancements, the WH-1000XM6 maintains a battery life of approximately 30 hours with noise cancellation enabled. Fast charging technology remains intact, providing up to 3 hours of playback from just a 3-minute charge. A new, practical feature allows users to continue using the headphones while charging, a convenience absent from the previous model. The headphones are offered in 3 elegant colors: Classic Black, Platinum Silver, and Midnight Blue. Globally, the price is set at $449.99 in the U.S., $399.99 in the U.K., and $449.99 in Europe. In Vietnam, pricing is expected to be around 11.5 to 11.9 million Vietnamese dong, slightly higher than the launch price of the WH-1000XM6, by approximately 2 to 2.5 million dong. When considering whether to upgrade from the WH-1000XM5, the WH-1000XM6 brings meaningful improvements in foldability, processing speed, microphone count, and call quality. Frequent travelers and urban commuters may find the reintroduced folding design and superior noise cancellation especially beneficial in crowded or noisy environments. For users coming from the WH-1000XM4 or earlier models, the WH-1000XM6 offers a comprehensive enhancement across the board encompassing sound quality, noise cancellation, design, and smart functionality, making it a compelling upgrade. Overall, Sony's WH-1000XM6 reinforces its status as a leading wireless noise-canceling headphone by thoughtfully addressing user needs while pushing technological boundaries, all without sacrificing battery endurance. Whether for immersive music listening, clear communication, or noise-free concentration, the WH-1000XM6 stands as a testament to Sony's commitment to premium audio innovation.